Hello and welcome to another edition of Fix 64. I'm Darren Hadley, and today I am taking a look at the Magcubic HY350 Max smart projector. Let's unbox it and then we'll see what we've got. Here's the projector. Wow, that's nice and portable. Get these out of the way. Okay. This looks like the accessory box. Wow, beautiful silver finish. That is cool looking with the silver and white accents. Anyway, on the back you have USB, HDMI, and a power button, and where you plug it in. There's also a mounting area on the bottom. And a nice little remote. We got the cable. It's one at an angle, that's cool. And a very, very thick installation guide. Looks like it's very detailed. Very good. Okay, so the remote, it takes two AAAs, like most TV remotes. Let's go over this remote real quick. You have an on and off button, mute, electronic focus, a mouse control button, OK button, directional buttons, return. The hamburger can bring up the display settings where you can adjust the picture mode, the contrast, hue, saturation, and sharpness for the video. And then there's the home button. And here's volume. Okay, this portable projector is native 1080p. Comes with an 8K video decoding input, which is very nice, and 900 ANSI lumens brightness. It also has a 60 Hz refresh rate. It runs on Android 14, so you can imagine all you can do with it. Many apps to choose from. We'll be going over some of that. Or you can hook it up to any of your devices like phones. I'm sure an Apple TV or say a game console or anything goes into the HDMI. The CPU is the all-winner H726. It's a quad-core ARM processor. And what's cool is it has auto keystone and auto focus, and it's also outdoor friendly. So if you want to have a party in your backyard or a barbecue and show something, perfect. It's equipped with Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.4, and it has 15-watt hi-fi speakers. Can even be projected onto a ceiling, like so. All right, enough talk. Let's see what this thing can do. I'll set it up in my family room, since that is the only wall space I have available right now. And we'll go from there. Okay, here it is all set up and on my wall. It's really big, as you can see. Let's check out the apps. Very cool. Then there's a store. And it's got a lot of the streaming services, stuff like that, as you can see. And browsers. So you can watch browsers. And then here are the projection settings. I'll kind of go over them. There's like a device mode that's standard. There's installation mode. There's digital scaling, autofocus, auto four corner correction, screen recognition, intelligent obstacle avoidance, manual trapezoidal. Now I did the manual trapezoidal to position it on my wall because my wall had too many openings and couches in the way, stuff like that. So yeah, you just click the enter and then you can move between the corners and adjust up, down, left, right. Okay, and then there's network settings, Bluetooth, application management. So you can like add them to the front screen, whatever. System info, settings with the button sounds, screensaver, time shutdown, and restore factory settings. Yeah, the screensaver might be a good idea if you have OLEDs. And then about, it tells you the model name, the resolution, running memory, storage space you have left, and the MAC address, stuff like that, serial number, local upgrade, and online upgrade. So local upgrade probably through the USB, and online it just downloaded when I first got the system. I just downloaded it. And there's HDMI, USB. I'm not going to hook those up today because I didn't have the means to. But, and then there were wallpapers. And then that clears the cache. I'm talking about the little round circles at the top. Wi-Fi settings, Bluetooth settings. See, yeah, you got Disney, Netflix, YouTube, all those. Plus there's Office Suites. It's like an Android phone in a way, or a tablet. And you can add shortcuts. Here's YouTube. Now the camera didn't record it everything perfect, but you can at least see that, I mean, this is on my wall. You can see the ceiling above. Let's try this video for a sec. And as you can see, the picture's big and bold. And I mean, this screen is huge. It's bigger than my TV screens. There's the NAS. Yeah, I decided to just show my YouTube video so I don't have to deal with copyright stuff. Okay, let's look at a little Black Ops gameplay on a video that you can imagine what it would be like if a PC with or console or something were hooked up to this and you're playing Call of Duty on a huge wall. It's pretty cool. Yeah, this would be incredible to play on. And you can see the benchmarks and everything. And of course, this is just a copy of a copy. 4.0 SSD. We got Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, USB 4, and the most powerful integrated graphics to date, the AMD Radeon RX 8060S. It is a powerful and it's positioned between an RTX 4060 and 47. Oh yeah, let's see. Oh yeah, the teal on the Alienware looks really good on the screen. Very nice. And as you can see, you can fast forward and stuff like that. Easy peasy. All right, I'd like to thank Magcubic for sending this to me. It is awesome. I'm really glad I got to try this out and experience it. And I want to play with it some more, so maybe I'll do some follow-ups eventually. Yeah, as you can imagine, if Android can do it, this probably can too. Plus, you can hook up any external sources. So that makes it really nice. All right, I'd like to thank all my subscribers and my viewers. And if you like this sort of thing, please like and subscribe. And if you want to see the next one, please click the bell button. And I will see you all in the next one. Thank you.